everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, and my name is Phyllis. I'm going to be taking two old pictures and changing them into a mosaic marble wall art. And this is something that what you're looking at now is a video of a piece of art that I took out of Ross, and this was last year. So I did this actually just transformation of June of 2020, and I just never uploaded the video. So I'm going to take you through the process and then explain to you a little bit step by step. So here are the two art pieces, and some of you might be cringing now saying, oh no, don't go over that. But my daughter's father gave me permission to use it because I transformed the bathroom. If y'all remember the bathroom makeover that I did when I did the shower wall with the marble contact paper, I was transforming these to go into that bathroom, but when I got through, it didn't quite match the color scheme in the bathroom. So I ended up using them in my youngest daughter's bedroom. So what you see here, these are pictures he's had for a very long time. I think he purchased this house in 2007. So I want to say he's had this art about that long. The first one I showed you looks like the canvas kind of yellowed out some, but I will be covering this with regular household paint, and actually I'll be doing the entire project using leftover household paint. And this paint is from what he used when he painted the bathroom. The colors are gray and white, and then some black, two shades of gray, two different kinds of gray. So this gloss white is what I'll be covering over the pictures. And then this gray here, and then there's a lighter shade of gray. You'll be seeing me put that in the cup and pouring it on the canvas. And then the small can of black paint, I just kind of went over which is that up at the top. I just went over the frames, the existing frames that was already black. And here it is. I've started painting it, the canvas, one of the canvas white, the other one you saw on the floor. I covered both of them actually with this paint. Again, he's had these art pieces for so long, so he did not mind me going over them because his entire home is getting a makeover anyway. Okay, so I've done about, I think on both canvases, again, I did this last year, so if I'm not mistaken, I think I did about 3 coats on both. And you'll see this one that's coming up, I think, kind of not this one, but the other one will look kind of warped, and that kind of concerned me because I didn't think it was going to take, but you'll see at the end it turned out fine. That one has just about 2 coats, so and I'm going to have to go over it again, and you'll see the frames I've painted over those already. And this is the bigger art piece, I believe. Now coming up, what I'm doing is I'm getting ready to pour. This is the one that looked warped to me, then I was kind of concerned, but again at the end you'll see nothing, I mean it all worked out. So here I'm just pouring the paint and just going randomly, nothing special, and then I'll be going on top with the black and then a deep gray and then a lighter gray. So I'll be just doing this process, and then I'll be tilting it and just letting the paint free flow. So this is basically a free flowing mosaic wall art. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by. And if you like what you see here today, please consider subscribing. Click the bell, then select all so that you'll be notified of all future videos that I upload. I love doing DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and much, much more. Thank you again for stopping by. Okay, now that all of that is done, I'm just getting ready to tilt it and basically letting the paint flow and do whatever it does. I just let it create its own thing. I'm just trying to cover the entire canvas, and I won't be showing it on camera, but you see where the paint is just in the middle of the canvas. To get to the edges, I ended up adding more paint around the edges, and then basically doing what I did. I just alternated the different colors paint, and I just kept tilting it until I got the entire canvas full. I did this to both of them. On one of them, the largest canvas, I ended up using some liquid gold leafing paint to add some gold, and then the smallest one I did not. I'll put a little clip of the gold paint liquid leafing that I purchased from Amazon. And this was such a quick and simple wall art to create. So I hope you all enjoyed. And now coming up are the completed free-flowing mosaic wall arts. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.